Hello guys, welcome. I'll teach you about where does rain come from. Where rain comes from the sky, the clouds, and the ice inside it melts because the sun on top of the clouds, the dark clouds, it straight comes inside the clouds, and the water like in here falls down to the ground and I see it's raining and it's raining behind. Come take a look. Take a look. See, that's how rain comes from the clouds and helps the clouds to grow very, very big. Look. That's how rain comes from. If you like it, subscribe, like our channel and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the notification bell. Bye.